Hey, what's up guys? Bobby here from the AIOP Rotator Club. I want to make a quick video and show you this cool tool I found for making a clickable image for Facebook or for social media sites. Okay, it's called Any Image. Okay, like I said, it's free to use. You can find it at anyimage.io. Let me show you how this works. When you first open the page, it's going to bring you to this page. This is probably the easiest one I've ever seen to use. And it also has a couple nice features I'll show you in a second. The first thing you want to do is upload a picture. Let's see what we got. I'm just going to pick something quick. Oh, let me use this. I like this picture. Alright, now you can see the picture if you scroll down. You see the picture there. Okay, I'm going to adjust it a little bit. Okay, then it's going to ask you for your title. I'm going to put AIOP Rotator Club, of course. Description. I'm going to put we trained our whole lives for this. Okay, then you got to put a destination URL. That's where, when they click on the image, this is where it's going to take them. Okay, then it has an option here, card size, large or small. Let's see what that looks like. Let me press small. That's what small looks like. I'm not crazy about that. That looks like when you add a video on Facebook. That's what it looks like to me. But I'm gonna go with large. Okay, then you come down here. If you're using this for Twitter, you just press Twitter. It shows you what it's going to look like on Twitter. You know, you can adjust it again. You know, you can move the picture around. You can make the picture bigger. You know, LinkedIn, Google Plus. Okay, I'm using it for Facebook. Let me go back to Facebook. That looks pretty good. You can see here the title, AIOP Rotator Club. We trained our whole lives for this. All right, so that's what my ad is going to look like. So I'm going to press finish, and it's going to generate a link for me to post on Facebook. We're going to go do that and see what it looks like. Yeah, like I said, guys, this tool is free. You know, I used to use another tool like this that was free. It wasn't as easy to use as this one, and then they started charging for it, so I stopped using it. It wasn't even that good. All right, now see, there's the link. So I'm going to press copy. Then I'm going to go to Facebook. Right, here's my page. Here's the first one I made this morning. I made this without even signing in or anything. You know, so now let's put this one here. Now after you post this link, you can take the link back out of there once the image shows up. You know? And then you can write whatever you want, you know? I'll just write that. I think that looks pretty cool. I like that picture. I think it's funny. And we'll press post. And there it is. It's posted. Okay, so now if someone comes, they click anywhere here, it's going to take them to the link you put there. So there it is, guys. Clickable image on Facebook in a couple of minutes. Works pretty good. All right, thanks, guys. I'll see you inside, man. I'll see you in our Facebook group, guys. AIOP Rotator Club. Thanks, man.